Okay, guys, so now we're gonna get into some more complicated turns and everything. So we're gonna work here just mainly the technique of it, yes, for your practice, and then you're gonna be building that into repetitions, and then we're gonna put the same technique into different movements that we're gonna be using in the next classes. Okay, so come with us. So this movement, it's like what a lot of you have been seeing as well. It's very trending as well. That is the turn, shifting the arms, and then there it goes the hair all around. That is the same movement that we did before when we were here with single hand, when we do this type of motion, and the follower needs to be fast with the head to understand that from here she needs to go backwards and not to stay. Is exactly the same what we're going to be doing. Yeah. So you want to just show first the hand position for the leaders. Yeah. So what happened is with the first position is like we're going to have like the right hand. So we're going to lead all this movement with our left arm. So we're going to be holding on the line of the wrist. Yeah. Because the hand, we have a lot of articulation there. That's going to be hard to get into the upper body of the follower. So from here, what you want to think about is you holding cup, glass of wine. No, glass of wine go too fancy. So beer or soft drink, whatever, you grab there. Boom. Yeah. So when we're going to be turning the next position, it's like you're blocking the sun off your face. So thumbs down. Boom. And then you collect. So you go thumbs up and thumbs down. Yeah, and then you're gonna be getting used to this. So first thing we need to get used to is to this, like a turning the follower here on the spot, doing this. For the follower, you need to get used to the energy there is when you do the footwork. All the footwork that we've done of the other spins again, of bring the feet together, step, pivot, bring the feet together, step, pivot. Yeah. For this movement, it's very hard you do, okay, it's always going to be here. No, because depends on the momentum there. You're going to maybe do the first two starting the front, and then the after one, we're going to be in the back. For example, I can start the movement from here, like where we pivot, and then I catch here. So the movement going to be there. And then maybe like when you do these main emotions, for example, I will start facing forward. Maybe going to get one position. Look where she is. She's now going to be here to start the movement. So pretty much there. Now here, look. That's going to be my starting point. So don't think about, I need to be here. No. This is like when we start for the position we're going to start, and then after we're going to go. The head movement for the follower. Yeah, we had done before, but we're going to repeat here. So your movement is going to start the head to the left. Then you're going to bring the center, your center into the line of your chest. Yeah, if you don't know, the man and woman, we have different center of gravity. Okay, so the woman have the center of gravity more in the line of her belly button, a little bit below, and the man we have a little bit higher. Okay, so what happened, you need to bring that center up. Yeah, so we need to be able, even like a man and woman, to play around with those centers. Yeah, so this idea, if leaders, you're watching and you've seen like the challenge of the chair of the woman, only woman can do it. This is all pure technique. Yes, you just need to change the center of gravity below, because it's more natural for a woman when they bend down, they do this. A man, we tend to do more this. Yes, so a lot of the times that's why usually when they do the challenge of the chair, the women, they push their center out so then they can come up. And a lot of the men, what they do, because their center is high, when they bend over, they put so much pressure on their head so then they cannot get out of that position. But it's a matter of fact of you just using your hips. Yeah, if you don't believe me, challenge me, and then I show you how you do it. Okay, so from here, followers, you want to do the movement where the contraction, it's not going to be like that type of contraction, like a full contraction. Yeah, it's going to be tiny one. Yeah, so you're sad. You are not sad. You're sad. Yeah, so it's just like yeah. So from this position is very small. So what happened from here is the idea is starting the head on the side, the head gonna pass forward. Yeah, so make sure contraction. Don't let your body come forward. Don't let this weight go here. Maintain here. If you do this, it's already fail. Okay, so you want to do like it's like we have this position here, and when your head passes, the contraction needs to happen there. Yeah, you cannot come forward. So keep your square. From this position, so you're gonna go, and then from here is when you're gonna turn. Your head gonna go to the side, passing to the ceiling, and there we go. Yeah, so the head needs to be fast. Yeah, when we go from that position and you turn, the head needs to pass and go. You cannot take too long, otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay, so leading the intention here very slow. Slow is hard, but let's just put the positions here. We go side, we pass forward, side, backwards. That's pretty much the intention. So where's the energy of this movement? Right here, when we swap hands. So here, look, is when I'm doing this. Boom. Now here, followers, you don't. Here, look. Then you see that Sara is stopping there. But what I want to ask is for her let the energy go. So if her let the energy go there of the head would go around. Yeah. So if I go there and I block, the head should go like this way. Yeah. So when we do the movement here, boom. Yes. The head going. Yes. So when we do the movement, the energy should go that way until come back here. Yes, so don't react into this block. Always think about the idea is you go, look, boom, complete, to come back. Finding this, it's not that you're going alone. I'm giving enough energy, boom, for you to go. So here is what I'm doing is going, and then I will save the energy up for then I start the movement again. So what happened is, we start the movement facing each other. And then after, the movement gonna be set up right here. Okay, what that means, we start here, she goes, the head is there. Now the movement gonna start again when we're gonna be in this position right here. Yeah, so then we're gonna start all over again. And look, the movement's gonna be there. And I need to stop because otherwise she's gonna kill me because she got dizzy. So
I am already.
what happened is that's pretty much the points of performance of this movement. Yeah, it's not easy, it's hard, but when you understand the positions, get easier. Yeah, most important for the followers, where you need to get used to but understand is that flow. Me doing this, look, and boom. Yeah, you let the energy, again, fade away. Yeah, but what I'm doing when we do this, we go, boom, use the energy to turn. See? So what looks like, it's that like we're doing doing this, but she's not. She's doing just pretty much half a head when she do the one turn. But where's the energy come from? From that inertia, yeah, that we're creating. So you're creating what we call a centrifugal force. That is the energy that starts from the center and go out. So the energy starts from the center, go out, and then we expand. We call like a tornado because of this. It starts going, the energy builds there. So get bigger right there. Okay? So let's try here again. To the other side. So we go from the side. We can do one full boneca, yes? One boneca. And then when we here, look, we use to prepare to swap that hand. And we start the movement. And we go and come up. Okay? Cool? Beautiful, right? shampoo propaganda we can do here. Yeah, we can do some ads for shampoo. I don't know why they never invite us to do shampoo commercials because we do a lot of the hair. But how you can start this movement? You should already know because we have many positions, but I will give a suggestions for you.
Suggestions?
Damn, I don't know what I'm talking about. You got me.
Suggest.
So when you're here, boom. What we're gonna do is like that simple way. If you get if you are holding their hand here, you need to swap into their wrist. So you go from here. When she passes into your left, swap into the wrist, and then here we go breathing and the head. And then from here we start. And we finish. Now, I will do it like this way. Important thing, leaders, try don't do the movement like this. And then look at them and like no, you don't stay there. I'm changing my weight. I will do like this so you guys can see my weight transfer. Oh, face me. From here, look. And so what I'm doing is like you know when you walk with someone in front of you and then like which one you go and then you go which one you go this way? Same here, yeah? So when I'm doing this position here, when I'm going, I'm going this way. No, I come back. I go this way. No, I come back. So you want to play with this, but you need to pay attention on her head because you want to balance the energy. Her energy is going there. You want to put this way. Her energy is going there. You want to put this way. Yeah, so you want to small change, but you want to like it's a quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Yes, okay. But need to be firm, don't? No. 7. Let's do like this. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and take our time. Take our time. And we finish. And we go. And boom. How we give the indication for the followers to finish? When you do this and you want to finish, we just keep the hand on the side. On the side, and we open. So I need to create this elastic. My hand go this way and my body go that way. So that gives that energy and balance for the follower. Be careful. Sorry, hon. To don't do this. You cannot finish with the hand there and go together because she will keep going. You need to go opposite, okay? So when you go from here, I pass and I go. Look, my hand is there. And then we go. Música! Siri, leave me alone.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, got your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, you can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an
this movement it requires time and patience. For the leaders, for the followers. Leaders, that word leaders doesn't mean that you have the power and the control of the situation, and that is you are the owner and the reason master there. No. Being a leader, you need to make sure you can follow the follower. And most important, if you are able to follow your own lead. Biggest issue we have the leaders is that most of leaders, they cannot follow their own lead. What I mean by that, they can lead someone else, but if they need to put their body to follow what they're doing, they can't. And that's the biggest, so if you need to think really serious about this, can I follow my own lead? Because if you can follow that, that's when you start getting to a different level of dancing and connection with your partner. Because you're gonna be able to adjust and to feel a lot more what she's asking or giving to you. Yeah? So when I do this movement, even maybe if the follower don't know to do properly the head movement and everything, but if you generate the amount of energy and indication, at least one, even if it's more or less, she will be able to do it. Yeah, she might be like, oh my God, I did it. Maybe if it's not perfectly, but the movement can happen in a safe way. Yeah, so don't think about it's because her movement she's doing, but you are the one that can provide that. For the followers, what I can say is one thing. As a follower, you don't need to know the same amount of movements that we do. What I mean by that, you know a lot more than us. For example, if you already know one technique, you might gonna be able to do 5 steps with me, 5 steps with the other person. So you have a lot of more inside of your body than you think. So don't think like, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. You can do a lot of things because you are the one that provide opportunity for the leaders to do things with you. What I mean by that, if you don't have your technique on point, if you don't know how to prepare the movements, if you don't know where your balance, like your weight and your balance are, we need to keep fixing that for you. So you're not providing opportunity to us. You're giving more things for us to do. So what happened in the dance, we're going to do less movements. We're going to do less stuff with you. So a lot of the times they go, I want to do this, I want to do that. Yes, but you need to provide the opportunity for us to do it. Okay? Say something, sorry.
You have saved it all.
See, we were in the communication here. Yes, so just make sure we think about that. Yes, and now we're going to link this movement. We're going to use as a technique for what we're going to do next. So stay with us, and I see you in the next class.